on the porch in the night, thinking how we used to be way back in time. In time. Barefoot on the grass, open skies. I can feel it every time I close my eyes. My eyes, yeah. Can you remember when we were young and free, like queens up on the thrones? Never surrender, we're having too much fun. Could feel it in my bones. I was never
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share, guys, a decorate with me video. Today I'm taking my 3-tiered tray and decorating it in a glam style. I hope you enjoy. So guys, I recently visited a garage sale. Now, I hadn't been to a garage sale in I think about 5 years, and I recently came across an ad on Marketplace of a lady selling all her home decor, and I couldn't wait to go to her house and see her amazing garage sale. So you can imagine my delight when I walked in there, and the first thing I seen, guys, was this beautiful rustic 3-tiered tray. The best part of all, it was just $5. I really couldn't believe my luck, and I was so excited to bring it home and start decorating. So what I did first of all was I shopped my own home. Now, I have quite the collection, guys, of bakery style decor that I have been storing in my pantry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those items and create something beautiful on this 3-tiered tray. So to start with, I'm going to take these fake muffins that I picked up from Amazon, and I'm going to place them at the top of the tray. I'm then going to add stuff to the second tray. Now, I have a combination of beautiful baby blue and baby pink decor that I want to add. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know I have to add my adorable little toy mixer that I got from Kmart. I then added a beautiful blue mug and one of these fake whipped cream toppers, which is from Etsy. I then started on the very bottom tray. I then added the most adorable little pink toy toaster. Now guys, this is a part of a 4-piece set that I recently picked up from Kmart. Now I have a very cute collection of small baking utensils and I'm going to place them either side of the toaster.
To get by.
Darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car.
Now guys, I ended up playing around with different ideas here where I took some stuff away and then re-added.
Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
Are you a collector of small pieces of home decor? I absolutely love the cute, irresistible items that are out there, guys. And I absolutely love that there is something such as a 3-tier tray that has been created for us to display them.
Darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get
Now, once I was happy with my display, I wanted to add a little topper at the top of the love heart. And I had this pink gingham bow from a previous piece of decor, and I'm going to add that to the top.
We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Ooh. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back
And here is my glamorous 3-tier tray. I'm so happy with how it came.
that we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life. I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
Loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. Yeah, loving me was all you tried when you were around. I've been told too many times now. But somewhere go run and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere go run and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chellesglamhome. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for home decorating. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chellesglamhome family.
Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start. Can't you see that I just need
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to 3-tiered tray decorating. So don't forget, guys, to tap your notification bell, give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'll see you all next week for another video here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.